Hello, Daryl Goff, Premier Service Center out of Rogersville, Missouri. We're only 600 seconds east of Springfield. We are AAA certified. We offer towing. We're a 16-bay facility. We are the best kept secret in the greater Springfield market. Have squeaky brakes? We can handle that. Need your oil changed? We can handle that too. We literally work on everything from wheelbarrow tires to dump trucks. Come see us at Premier Service Center. Let us prove to you, don't take my word for it, let us prove to you that we are the best kept secret in Springfield, Missouri. And if you need your oil changed, come out and see us. We'll check the air pressure in your tires, run through all the lights, top off all your fluids, do a visual brake inspection, give you 5 quarts and a filter, all for only $18.99 if you're a mob member. Come check us out at our new website, www.premierautodoctor.com.
Welcome to Premier Auto Outlet, home of the lifetime customer. Hi, I'm Larry Reynolds, PR Manager for Premier. We've been at the same location in Rogersville, Missouri for better than 16 years, where we specialize in SUVs and pickups. Have you got a special vehicle in mind? Something maybe even to the color of the interior? If we don't have that vehicle on lot, we can and will locate it for you. Come and visit us anytime at PremierAutoOutlet.com. We're open 24 hours a day. I'm also a PR manager for Auto Berent here in Springfield, Marshfield, and now in Joplin. Are you having trouble with your credit? Is your credit score not where you would like it to be? As our general manager says, bad credit, don't sweat it. Come to Auto Berent. We can put you into a vehicle. There is no interest. There is no sales tax up front. And at the end of the time, as you qualify, you will walk out with a vehicle of your choice. Visit us at any time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, at AutoBerent.com.